Hi everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel.
You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing my heart.
It is Thursday, November 9th. I have just woken up, taken a shower, and now I'm heading over to Starbucks to grab some breakfast and also some coffee because we have yet to go grocery shopping since we came back from Florida on Tuesday. So I literally don't have any groceries and I needed something. So I just have work today, and then later on tonight, this person literally just cut out in front of me. Later on tonight after work, I'm going to be heading down to Chicago in the city. We're going to the Wit at Chicago because I was invited by Peacock and Love Island Games USA to go to the premiere party of Love Island Games. It's been a couple episodes I've been watching. I am a huge Love Island fan, so this is like really exciting for me. I'm really nervous because I've never been to any type of like influencer or type of event like this, but this is my first one, and I told myself that I need to start saying yes to events and going to things more because I do turn down a lot of events. And this was Love Island, and I was like, you know what, I need to go because I am a huge Love Island stan. I'm also bringing my friend with me because she's a big Love Island stan as well, so we're gonna go together, and I'm nervous, but I am excited because it just seems like it's gonna be fun. So that's what we're doing today. I still need to figure out what I'm gonna wear, what I'm gonna do with my hair, all that stuff, because once I leave work, I literally have to go pick her up and then head to the city, which it's gonna probably take me about a while to get there. So anyways, that's the plan for today. Checking in. Hello, welcome to the vlog, and let's get this day going. Okay guys, so it is later in the afternoon. It's around 3:15. I am figuring out my final choices of what I'm gonna wear tonight. I know I'm wearing these faux leather legging pants. They're not leggings, they're pants from Amazon, linked on my Amazon storefront. Just figuring out what top I'm gonna wear. So I went ahead and did my face makeup. I just have to do my eyebrows and my actual like mascara and lashes, which I'm gonna do that shortly. I'm figuring out what I want to wear. I have to pick some sort of top and I just don't know what to wear. Tonight I'm gonna do some silver jewelry because I wanted to wear these like Bottega Veneta dupe earrings. So I'm gonna change my stacks to silver earrings. But I'm panicking, you guys, because I literally don't know what to wear. I've been looking in my closet for the last freaking half hour trying to put something together. Like I want to wear long sleeves, but then at the same time I don't want to wear long sleeves, but I don't want to be cold, and this lighting is washing me out. It's just I just really don't know what to wear. So love that for me. So we're just gonna continue here to look, pull something together, and then go fix our hair and finish up our makeup. You know, rushing like always with me. Like I just can never do stuff in a timely manner. I'm always rushing to get ready, and it's annoying. Why am I like this? I don't know. I need better time management. Drop your tips down below in the comments.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky. And I
just got back home from the Love Island Games USA little premiere party thing in the city tonight. It was such a fun experience and I had a really good time. Shout out to my girl Alex for coming with me. Don't know if she's gonna watch this, but thanks for coming with me. So as you guys saw from the little montage of the video, we went to the Wit hotel in Chicago. It's the rooftop on the Wit, and they had the little Love Island Games and Peacock premiere event. So we got these really cute cups. They're like the cups that they drink on Love Island, and they had some girl doing calligraphy on all of the cups. Let's talk a little bit about the event and overall thoughts and opinions. So first ever like influencer type of event that I've ever gone to for like content creation type stuff. And I honestly didn't know what to expect because obviously I've never been to any type of thing like this. I'm just changing out my earrings back to my everyday gold earrings that I wear. Love Islanders that were there were Curtis from Love Island UK season 5 and then Toby from Love Island UK season 7. They're both currently on the new season of Love Island Games, which is premiering right now on Peacock, which you can go watch. I love Love Island, anything Love Island, so this was kind of like a little fangirl moment for me. They were already going through they were already like on the stage when we got there, so I got as many clips as I could get on there of them on the stage and like all of that stuff. And then they talked, and then we just kind of hung out at the VIP section since we had the VIP, and we just kind of sat and chatted and mingled with a few other girls that were there, and we just talked about, you know, all things Love Island, reality TV related, and it was like really nice. I didn't end up getting a picture with Toby or Curtis because the line to get a picture with Toby and Curtis was so freaking long. Just hearing the conversations from where I was sitting, I could hear some conversations. Genuinely so nice, genuinely really engaging with everybody that was there. So it was nice to see that. Just class acts. But yeah, they just seemed to be really enjoying their time, and it was just a really nice event. Yeah, it was really good. I can't wait to watch tonight's episode of Love Island Games because it was playing at the event, but like it was obviously too loud in there to like watch or listen. But yeah, so that's that. I'm getting ready to go to bed. It's Thursday night. I have work tomorrow in the morning, so it is time to clean up my mess and head off to bed. All right, guys, good morning. It is Saturday. I just stopped at Starbucks. We got a vanilla sweet cream cold brew. It's my go-to. I always get it, even though the holiday drinks are out. I had a holiday, the sugar cookie almond latte the other day. It was really good. I just didn't want that today. I wanted my original just go-to order because my car in park. I wanted my original go-to order because I just really needed a good coffee. And then I also grabbed the cranberry bliss bar. It is my favorite thing from Starbucks. Like, I literally just want to go buy the tray of it because I know you can buy it as a tray. I probably should do that because I'm obsessed with it. It's so good during the holidays. So today is Saturday. I'm picking up the vlog. The last time I saw you guys is when we went to the Love Island Games Peacock event. Today I'm gonna go run over to Target. I want to go check out the holiday section and kind of film a little bit, see what they have, and include it in this vlog just to show you guys some new holiday pieces at Target. So before I get started into this rest of this vlog, I wanted to show you guys my new bag. It is the Speedy 20 bandolier. I'm absolutely obsessed with this bag. We have all of the gorgeous gold hardware, which I love. I'm a gold girl through and through. I love the black handbag. I don't have anything like this. I think this is the perfect size for a Speedy. So I'm gonna give you guys all the information and unbox this bag with me. So let's go ahead and unbox it. If you guys don't like replicas or things like that, then just keep on watching through the video. But I will have a discount code for you guys to shop their website. I will link it down below in the description box, as well as the specific bag that I got. It is so adorable. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing portion to show you guys and give you a little bit more detail on the bag. So here is the bag. I did get a Louis Vuitton bag. As you guys already saw, you do get the box with it, which is really nice because it helps keep everything stored in a really good place. You also get the dust bag, which is really important when storing your handbags. She doesn't know that your favorite place. So here is the gorgeous Speedy 20 bandolier in black. I love this. I love the embossing of the LV. It just is such a beautiful bag. The quality is amazing. I have used this bag now for a couple days and I've gotten so many compliments on it. It's just the perfect everyday bag. I love that you can wear it as like a crossbody. You can wear it on your shoulder. It's literally perfect. It's the perfect size. I can fit all of my needs in there. So anyfashion.ru is giving my viewers a 5% off coupon code if you use the code Stephanie Carollo. It will be annotated here on the screen. Definitely check them out, and thank you so much to anyfashion.ru for this gorgeous bag. Thank you so much to anyfashion.ru for sending this bag over to me. I absolutely love it. Definitely check them out for this holiday season. If you know a luxury lover but you don't want to spend the full price, this is a great way to get a bag, and it looks so beautiful and it's really high quality and I love it, and it's perfect. I mean, how adorable is this Louis Vuitton Speedy bandolier? Love it, love it, love. We're gonna go head over to Target now and do some shopping, and I also want to get to Target before 10 a.m. because Carly Bible is launching her makeup line and I really want to grab some pieces, so I'm gonna try to get over to the Target parking lot to park, get my stuff organized, and then hopefully I'll be able to make the launch sale at 11:11. So anyways, let's go to Target.
Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. Hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. I found myself dreaming again. The moment you leave, it goes blank in my head. It feels like my bed is on fire when I'm sleeping alone. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go.
Okay guys, so I just got back home from grabbing lunch with my mom. We went to Baby Bop, which is like one of our favorite places to go eat for lunch. It's just like super fresh food, and it is like, it's called like an Asian grill, but it has like tofu, spicy chicken, regular chicken, just all kinds of stuff, and it's so freaking good. So we always go and grab that for lunch, and then we have to leave in about like an hour or so to go get our nails and eyebrows done, so we're gonna go do that. But I just got back home, so I'm gonna sit down and start editing a little bit since I have like an hour to kill to edit this vlog actually. So I just posted my Florida vlog live on my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched it, go click it. It is a really good one. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and edit a little bit, and then we're gonna get our nails done. It is 5 o'clock and I just got back home. We went and got my nails done. I ended up getting the same exact nails. I just did like an ombre, kind of like natural French nail. I like the look. It's very clean, very chic. Then we went over to Five Below and I just picked up, honestly you guys, I got a nerd rope because I love the nerd ropes. These are like my favorite candy ever. And then I also saw that they had the fudge brownie M&Ms. If you haven't tried them, you don't know what you're missing out on. Like, they're amazing. So I had some of those already. And then I also got this really pretty phone case from Five Below. It is the Evil Eye, which I love. My other case had the Evil Eye, but it has like that octally thing on it, so you can like stick it anywhere. But I really, really liked this phone case. Like, it's super sparkly. I picked up the last one in the iPhone 12 Pro Max because I still have a 12 Pro. The iPhones change so quickly that I just never keep up with them. Yeah, I am going to close out this vlog here. I'm going to go start editing this vlog actually because I want it to go up on Monday, and then I'm going to be starting a new vlog for the week. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm trying to get back into vlogging, and I really want to vlog more, especially with Vlogmas coming up, which I don't know if I'm doing yet, but you know, I always try. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything that I mentioned in this video, including my new handbag, I will leave a link down below, and there is going to be a coupon code or a discount code for you guys to shop on that website, so I will link it down below. All the information will be down there in the description box for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. If you made it to this portion of the video, feel free to leave me a pink heart emoji down below, and that just lets me know that you guys stayed all the way to the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye!